and welcome to my video about service dogs. So what is a service dog? Well, a service dog is a type of assistance dog that is individually trained to do work or perform tasks for a person with a disability. Who might need a service dog? A person with a classified disability, such as visual impairment, hearing impairment, mental illness, mobility impairment, seizure disorder, or diabetes. What can a service dog do? A service dog can be trained to perform many tasks depending on what its handler needs. These tasks can include guide assistance for the blind, alerting and protecting a person who is having a seizure, alerting the hearing impaired to danger, behavior disruption, such as calming someone who is having some kind of panic attack, or pulling a wheelchair for someone who is mobility impaired. How does someone obtain a service dog? A registered service dog can only be obtained through a certified service dog training facility or organization. Service dogs are highly trained. Their training often begins soon after weaning and goes for about 1 year. Some reputable service dog training organizations are 4 Paws for Ability and Paws Training Academy. 5 facts about service dogs. Fact 1. Service dogs are not pets. Service dogs are classified as working animals and are not considered pets. The work or task a dog has been trained to provide must be directly related to the person's disability. Dogs whose sole function is to provide comfort or emotional support do not qualify as service animals under the ADA. Fact 2. Service dogs must be allowed to accompany a person with a disability in all areas that the public is permitted to go. Under the federal ADA laws, state and local governments, businesses, and nonprofit organizations that serve the public must allow service animals to accompany people with disabilities in all areas of the facility where the public is normally allowed to go. For example, in a hospital, a service dog must be permitted in areas such as examination rooms, patient rooms, cafeterias, and clinics. However, it could be permissible to exclude a service dog from operating rooms where the animal's presence may compromise the sterile environment. Fact 3. Service dogs must be under control at all times. Service animals must be leashed, harnessed, or tethered in order to assure control of the animal. The only exceptions would be if these devices somehow interfere with the dog's duties. In that case, the individual must be able to maintain control of the dog through voice, signal, or some other effective methods. Fact 4. There are only 2 questions that Staff are permitted to ask a handler if the service dog's purpose is not obvious. 1. Is the service animal required because of a disability? 2. What work or task has the dog been trained to perform? Staff cannot inquire about the person's disability, require medical documentation, a special identification card, or training documentation for the dog, or ask that the dog demonstrate its ability to perform work or task. Fact 5. Service dogs may wear special vests, badges, or ID tags, but they are not required to by the ADA. That being so, it is generally easier on everyone if the dog does have some kind of identifier visible. Thanks for watching.